Alright guys, today is going to be a quick video. I didn't have much time to play around with cars this week because work is getting a little crazy. It's the summer, so obviously things start to pick up. But anyways, I keep getting asked about the Integra, so I figured I'd give you guys an update and hopefully finish the interior today because I'm going to pull some bits off my own personal Integra junkyard that I got out there. Also kind of give you an update on the plans for the future coming soon. So for anyone that's not familiar with this car or is new to the channel, this is a GSR Integra that I picked up. It was torn apart and wrecked, and I've basically been doing a budget restoration on it and just getting it back to normal. I haven't been really posting much on it because it's basically been the same ever since the last video. I've been daily driving it since my Toyota blew up, and yeah, the only thing I've changed is yesterday I put this fender on because this is a cleaner fender than this one. This has a bunch of dents and stuff all over it. So yeah, other than that, it's basically been the same. Under the hood is all the same as well. And for anyone that's curious and wants to see the process of the car and how it's gotten to this point, I have a few videos on my YouTube channel. Just go back. I titled them GSR Integra Rescue and Revival, I believe. So that'll at least get you up to date to where it sits now. Anyways, let's get to it. And sorry if I sound weird. My allergies are kicking my butt. So first I want to get this replaced. I have a tweeter in one of the other parts cars. I actually don't even know how to take these out. I've never had to pull it out. I think I had to take the whole panel off. So we'll figure out how to do that. And I want to replace this pillar plastic because this one has holes in it. I think I can get it off, hopefully without breaking it, but we'll find out. And don't judge how dirty the car is. This has literally been my work truck since my Toyota blew up. So let's figure out how to take this out. Just figured I'd let you know that's not factory. They don't come with monster stickers over the screw. Which I don't know why they had that there because the little cover's not even missing. Oh yeah, so it looks like all there is a little bracket. Oh, the speaker fell out. There it is. Or cover, I said speaker. Alright, we'll set that there for now. Then I'm going to try to take mine off first because mine's already broken, and then try to take the good one off the parts car. I'm still confused on why there's holes here. You'd think they'd be on that side if they put some rice or gauges on the car, but nope, they're on this side. So, no idea. Oh, alright, well that was easy. Nice. All the clips are good. That was honestly way easier than I thought it was going to be. Usually I break everything when working on brittle Honda interior. These are both pretty clapped, but I'll put the one from the parts car in there. It's at least cleaner. Stole this from the parts car too. Well, look at that. GSR interior is finally complete. It just needs to be cleaned really bad. Well, that went easier than expected. I thought I was going to be breaking the plastics and stuff, but yeah, went in my favor for once. But just to kind of give you guys an update before I end the video, I'm going to go to the city, hopefully, maybe run there tonight actually, and get a sander. And I want to start painting this or prepping it next weekend. So I really want to get this done soon because I'm sick of looking at it like this, and I'll just complete the car. And I'm just doing a rattle can paint job with Rustoleum. Nothing special, but I am going to sand it, prime it, and try to do it the best I can. I'm still unsure if I want to do door jambs or not. I know it's kind of annoying, but it's just going to be a lot quicker and simpler to do just a spray over the whole car. I'm going to take the fenders and hood off and all that, but we'll see. So stay tuned for next week's video. And if you guys want to support the channel, I have hoodies, stickers available, and shirts probably by next week will be available as well. Just message me on Instagram because I don't have a website set up yet. So hit me up on there if you want one, and I appreciate your support. My Instagram is conjo_brothers. Anyways, I'm going to wrap the video up here. If you like the video, I appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds, the projects, and if you want to see more like my daily activities on cars and whatnot, subscribe to my Instagram, conjo_brothers, like I said earlier, and you'll see more on there. I also just posted a recap video of this car, so if you don't want to watch the series of all the nonsense, this is a quick video of all like the body panels and all that fun stuff. So yeah, go check it out. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching.